Why did the chicken go to the seance? To get to the other side. You're welcome. So I just got back from checking the trail cam, and with all the leaves starting to come on the trees and the grass starting to come up and the clove and all that, the animals are back on the camera, so that's cool. Still no bears yet. Just a matter of time before they start showing up. Usually they just show up a little bit in the spring, and then fall is when they really pick up. But there's bears in the area. We've seen them. The spring bear hunt is on. I haven't been putting a big push on for it, but just because we've been doing other things, and the fall hunt usually where it's at anyways. Especially after they've been eating blueberries and lots of apples, the meat tastes real good. But there is this moose on here, and so that's good to see. They'll start being, there should be moose on there right up till, usually right up till late September, early October. They'll be there pretty regular. And the deer are here. So that's cool to see the deer coming in now. They'll also hang around right up till probably, right up to deer season, basically. So it's nice to see them coming in. We got some hostas out there. They're eating that right now. There's clove that I planted out there last spring, I believe. And that's come up now, and they're eating that and everything too. So that's good to see. So good to see the animals back up there. The moose there, he's just coming through the winter, so there's no, so they look a little rough yet. No, none of them have their horns yet, and also no antlers on the deer or anything, any of the bucks or bulls anyways, that'll be coming in with the moose and the deer, but they'll be coming in soon. So that's cool to see. I haven't seen them in the area again, but just not right on the trail cam yet. Speaking of the bears, I don't think we ever showed you these yet. That's the bear claw necklace we made. Pretty cool, eh? Turned out pretty good. Leather strap, little clip. Looks nice. But anyways, those trail cam pictures, as cool as they are, as cool as this is, the bears here, all that stuff, we can't stay here any longer. So we were looking for a halfway point. You knew that if you've been here any length of time. In the beginning, January 2020, we were going to sell the place. And then we decided, well, we'll just put the camper on a lot, campground. We did that. The campground, we can only be there 4.5 months of the year. So another thing we came up with, and we said this also last year, and then I just said it in the last videos that we were looking for land. But looking for land, and you know, with the price of wood and all that, what we were going to do is just build another cabin, right? I'm hoping the wood will go down at some point, just because I'm always going to be building projects, building things. But with all that going on right now, trying to find land for another halfway point, I mean, that's just, I think, going to just be too much. So it's hard to say this, but we sold our homestead. So it's not 100% yet, right? It's close to being a done deal. We're really close to being a done deal. Good news, it's another military member that's buying it, a young couple. So that's really cool. That's amazing. So the news on that is great. So at least it's going to the right person, and they're going to take care of this place. So having said that, we're really close to buying another place. And this place, if it goes through, it's fantastic. So I can't share all the details on that yet, or any of the whole thing yet, but I definitely will. This place is really something. But having said that, again, the reasons for why having to do this, it's a lot easier to manage one place and then manage two. Various reasons why, but we absolutely, the number one reason is that we got to be closer for doctor's appointments. things like that, Sam, for homeschool networks, different things like that for our family going forward. We just have to. We're like 2 hours outside of getting into doctor's appointments, things like that. Unfortunately, I got to go there pretty regular. And not on top of that, just the rest of the family too, right? And then Sam, though, for being closer for friends and all that. Anyways, that's just the gist of what's happening. So we kind of got to do what we got to do for our family. We live basically way out in the woods. Where we're looking, it's actually still in the woods, but it's more in the farm country and way closer. We'll be much, much closer. We'll at least cut our time in half of how far away we are and still own a bunch of land, still be able to do a proper homestead and all that stuff. So anyways, hopefully I can share that with you soon, that it all goes through and all that. I know this kind of just happened the way it did. We just really been trying to figure out the exact way to go about it, but with the way everything's going, and for us, this makes the most sense. So I'll let you know. Anyway. Sorry I didn't have more information on it. But anyways, wish us luck and all that. And thanks for being here. And it's going to be awesome because this piece of land, if it goes through, this other one with this new homestead for us, the new Mapleberry Farm 2.0, is phenomenal. So it's really cool, and we'll show you about it, and it's even better. So it's just better all around for what we need. So we'll share it with you. So that's the big news, and this is not an April Fool's joke. So thanks for sticking it out with us, everybody, because it's been quite a ride.
Cruel, cruel world, must I go on? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. This big old world sure got me running round. I heard a voice that said, just settle down. And with the moonlight as my guide, and with this feeling deep inside, I know now that I am homeward bound. Cruel, cruel world, must I go home? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. Desert roads, desert plain, I have seen so much pain. Now I see into the eyes of a girl. No more, no more cruel world. Cruel, cruel world, must I go on? I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. Dusty trail, saw a vapor light. Was it a mirage? I don't know, but it seemed right. I felt mission, I felt trust. I knew then that I must go to her from this cruel world. Cruel, cruel world, must I go